So today I'm going to the beach with Chessie to have a barbecue. It was really hot yesterday, so hopefully it's going to be really hot today. I haven't actually had a beach day yet, so today will be the first one. But first of all, I need to take Mr. Mo for a nice walk. Mostly it's not really walking, is it? No! No! So we're now at the beach and we're now attempting to light the barbecue.
Might take me a few.
The sun is trying to come out.
That's too gone already.
You've got to shelter it.
Right. You had to look after it.
Oh, I was going to drink mine. Yeah, then you can like throw the match in. Oh.
Nice. Get another one there. It's a bit dangerous, isn't it?
Oh wait, I think the flame is going towards me. No, that's not right.
Don't talk about the flame. I have no idea what's going on with the flame. It's a bit
No, the smoke's coming towards us. We've done it the wrong way round.
Well, then we will have to move it, won't we?
I was convinced the wind was going the other way.
Uh-oh.
Everyone's been looking at us like, what a donut. They've like lit the barbecue right next to them. Oh my god, that's really hot.
I know, I'm trying. Oh, it's going. It's alright.
That's fine, then we don't need to add any more matches in here.
No.
Right, we're going to have to move our bodies now, so it's definitely the wrong place. Right, I've got an oven glove in my bag. No, not with your hand.
No, I just wanted to see.
Just move it with your, I've got an oven glove.
What, do you think I can?
Yeah.
Right, the oven glove.
It's in there.
Where?
Inside loads of bags.
Yeah, but you've only got one.
Yeah, just move the actual barbecue first of all, and then just
not the thing.
yeah, then come back.
Yeah. Shall I wait till the flame
No, it's got to get. Oh, I don't know. Right, then quickly run over to the other side.
Bending, I can't do it.
Oh, well, we have to stay here. We're going to move our bodies instead. Let's move our bodies.
Oh!
Okay, just push it back in. It's fine.
Okay.
Okay, we'll just move our bodies instead.
There's not much to put food on.
Looks like a naked dish. Now it's having a spot of white rum, elderflower cordial, and some mint and lime. Delicious. And now just putting our prawn kebabs on the barbecue.
Put the fourth one on or shall I wait?
I think put them all on now.
Alright, just even have it going.
We can always eat them cold anyway.
Yeah. Beautiful tender
Fabulous.
stems.
I can hear them sizzling, it must be working. Now putting on my favourite new M&S cheddar and the broccoli sausages. Get to check it. I feel like I can see up your shorts.
They're so pretty. Got a funny texture.
They cook super quickly, so it should be okay.
Uh-oh. Is it just because it's loud?
I don't know, I don't really understand barbecue. It's not, is it still hot?
Yeah.
Okay, it should be okay. They're just like vegetables, so they should be fine anyway.
Yeah.
Perfect.
Okay, it's got a bit of grey stuff on my head. What else needs to go on it? Will be
The knob corn.
okay, knob corn.
Is it delicious?
Really good. Yeah,
Made Billy.
How long have you had these for?
What do you mean?
How long? Like, have you had these loads of times?
I've had them once before and they were delicious.
Really good.
Rubbing up the knob corn.
Rub it up in a tub.
Is that sizzling? Oh, I like the little mix you got on there.
The mint.
The mix is like sizzling, it likes it.
It is.
The barbecue has gone out without cooking the numbers. You know. So Chessie's went in the sea. How did you find it?
Lovely. Not cold
cold
at all.
This is her naked body.
Don't get that bit in there.
Back from the beach now with a trusty Mackie D chicken burger, no mayo, chippies and 2 sweet and sour lubes. Delicious.